Today's our topic is prepositions and kinds. Children, what is a preposition? Preposition is a word or a set of words that indicate location of the noun and the pronoun. It indicates the location. Okay, and there are three kinds of prepositions. What are the three kinds of preposition? Preposition of place, preposition of time, and preposition of direction. Okay, so now you see what is the preposition of place. Everyone, Pranav. What is the preposition of place? Preposition of place is a preposition which is used to refer to a place where something or someone is located. For example, you see there we have few examples related to preposition of place, like at, in, on. They shows the location. They shows the location of a noun or pronoun. Let us make a sentence with the help of this at. Mohan waited for Rohan. Mohan waited for Rohan at the corner. Where was he waiting? He was waiting at the corner. So here preposition of place is at. Now one more we will see, in. We will use in a sentence and we'll see. I am growing potatoes in my garden. Where is he growing? Where is he growing his potatoes? In the garden. Yes? In the garden. So in is a place. It is showing the place, in. Next one, let us see on. Please place the banquet on the table. Please place it on the table. On is a preposition of place. So now let's see in the same way preposition of time. Children, under time also we will get at. At what time? At 2 o'clock. At 3 o'clock. Yes? At night. So here preposition of time is the preposition which is used to refer to the time. When we are talking about time, we have to say this is the preposition of time. For example, see, he is not at home at present. He is not home at present. The stars shine at night. When? We are giving out a time. Yes? The stars shine in the morning. Will they shine in the morning? Yes? So, at night. Now see, his birthday is on 28th November. Again, we are giving out a time here. Yes? Time. When is his birthday? 28th November. So, time may be, Huriya. So, time may be, you can say a daytime, morning, evening or night, that comes under time only. And months, years also comes under time only. So this is called the places of time. Preposition of time. Next, let us see the preposition of direction. A preposition of direction is a preposition which is used to refer to the directions. They are used to refer the directions. For example, see, around, towards, into, next to, out of, away from, up, down, off, etc. These are all the beautiful examples of prepositions of direction. Let us see a small video on these prepositions of direction.
Prepositions. A preposition is a word that indicates the position or relation of a noun or pronoun with another noun or pronoun or verb in a sentence. For example, the planets revolve around the sun. Many prepositions are used in different contexts. For example, I met him on the terrace on time. Some prepositions have more than one word. They are called compound prepositions. For example, I hung the mirror in front of the door and the towel rod next to it. Here, in front of and next to are compound prepositions. Prepositions link words to indicate movement, location, position, and direction. Prepositions link words to indicate time. For example, all students come to school by 7:30 a.m. The preposition by works as an agent. The preposition with works as an instrument. For example, the vegetables were cut by my mother with a sharp knife. A preposition begins a group of words called a prepositional phrase. For example, have you seen crabs scoot behind a rock? In this sentence, behind a rock is the prepositional phrase.
Just 1 minute.
Today we are going to learn about prepositions. Prepositions of time and place. Okay, so what are prepositions? A preposition is a word that shows relation between a noun or a pronoun and some other words in a sentence. A preposition is placed before a noun or a pronoun. Prepositions indicate three things. Let us see what they are. Prepositions of place, prepositions of time, and prepositions of direction. Let us have a look at them one by one. Okay, so prepositions of place is where someone or something is. Let us look at one example. Okay,
Go and wash your face.
where is the lion? Okay, so let us see. Where is the lion? So the lion is on the table. So here the preposition on shows or tells us where the lion is. So this is preposition of place. Okay, prepositions of time. It means when an event happens or happened. Let us have a look at one example. The school starts in June. So here the preposition in tells us when an event happens. So when does the school start? The school starts in June. The third one, prepositions of direction. direction in which someone or something comes or goes. Let us look at one example. Nikki is throwing a ball at them. So here the word at tells us about the direction in which the ball is thrown. Let us have a look at few more examples of prepositions. Okay, let us have a look at this picture. The children are playing dash the garden on, in or at. Which is
the correct one? Can you tell me? Come on.
In the garden.
Okay, let's see.
the correct preposition here? Yes, in. The children are playing in the garden. Okay, let us have a look at next picture. The dog is sleeping dash the carpet. Where is the dog?
On the carpet.
Or under? Yes, on the carpet. The dog is sleeping on the carpet. Very good. Okay, let us have a look at next picture. Jack arrived dash 6 o'clock. When did Jack arrive?
At 6
In-
o'clock.
Yes, you are correct. Jack arrived at 6 o'clock. Good job. Next example. Where is the lion? Now let us have a look. The lion is dash the table. Yes, you are correct. Lion is under the table. Next.